ductwork day. That's the insulation for the hard pipe. There's some of the materials, the rest of it's in the house. That's a trunk line. There's going to be a trunk line running from where the furnace is all the way out to here, and it's going to branch off with, I think, 12-inch flex to each run. Or no, not 12-inch flex. I'm saying the wrong thing. 8-inch flex. This is bags of that is, I believe it's, what does it say on here? 8-inch R8 flex duct, 25 feet of it. 25, 50, 75, 100 foot of flex duct. So there's a lot of runs. And there's one pile of trash that came out from under here. There's a pile of wet, nasty insulation. And the furnace sits, where did I see it? Right up over in that area. It's pretty gross up under here, and I won't be joining my duct guy whatsoever, because it's too, let's just say, I'm not getting under there. But yeah, here's some of the old original 1980s aluminum ductwork, which is full of holes, as you can see, which is no surprise. That came out of the bathroom, along with the entire floor in said bathroom. And here's a condenser. And you can see where the pipes go up into the furnace. Pretty gnarly under there. Right over there is where the pipes 90 up to go to the furnace. And thermostat wire and all that. Looks like someone at one time weed whacked the thermostat wire. Good old acid washed condenser coil. You can really see it good on the inside how much paint it took off. But you can see through it at least. But I'll try to get some pictures of the inside with my guys taking a breather, as I call it, because it's hot in that trailer when there's a bunch of people working. But anyways, new ductwork going in today and tomorrow, and probably in the next week. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Mobile home ductwork. That's gross. It's aluminum. All that came out from up under there. That's wild. Oh, there's another piece. Still more to come out. That's tomorrow. Yeah, all tomorrow. And we have a porch toilet. Anyways, see you on part 2 when it gets completed.